Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl back with some real talk. Ever wonder why your gadgets keep breaking? I'm talking about your phone, your laptop, even that supposedly solid fridge. Let me break it down for you. It's all about planned obsolescence. Yeah, I know it sounds fancy, but it's just a sneaky way for companies to keep you spending money. They design gadgets to fail after a certain period. Ever notice how your phone starts acting up right after your warranty expires? That's no coincidence, boo. These companies, they're smart. They know exactly how long their products will last before they start glitching. And when they do, you're forced to buy the latest model. It's a vicious cycle. Let's talk about software updates. You know those updates that slow your phone down? Yeah, that's part of it too. They make the new features too heavy for your old device. So what do? You go ahead and drop cash on the newest version. And don't get me started on batteries. Ever wonder why you can't replace the battery yourself anymore? Exactly. They seal that stuff up tight so you have no choice but to get a new gadget. Cha-ching for them, empty pockets for you. So what can we do? First, take care of your gadgets. Use protective cases, keep them clean, and don't drop them like they're hot. Second, consider supporting companies that focus on longevity and repairability. They're out there, trust me. And lastly, spread the word. Knowledge is power, y'all. The more we know, the harder it is for them to pull one over on us. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more real talk. Stay woke and keep your gadgets alive. Peace out.